what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Alanis Morissette. Ironic. Cool, so let's start with we're in standard tuning and put a cape on 4th fret, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. We basically got 4 parts. We got the intro that comes back in the breakdown, and then we have the verses, and we got the chorus. Alright. So let's start from the top. We got a C major 7, which is 2D, 3A. And then move this exact shape to 5. And that's some sort of D chord. So this is the intro. With this melody, and that's over C. So we're gonna switch the fingering here, so it's 2D with first finger, 3A, and then 3 and 4 on B and E string, and then we gotta move your first finger down here and then grab the B string, 3rd fret. Yeah. I don't know how many times this is. I think it's 4 times in the beginning. So last time let it stay on C and play that melody. Okay, and then she starts singing. We got F sharp over D. So that's 2 in the bass, low E, and then 2G, 2 and 3B. 2G, 3B. This is a very common chord, guys. Comes up all the time in songs. So learn that. We got this. Sorry. To G major. 1, 2, 3. And then back to F sharp over D. E minor. 1, 2. And it's kind of picked and strong. Strum it, just go down, up, down, down, up, down. If you pick it, only pick the F sharp over D. 6, 4, 2, 3. Hit the G, pick F sharp, E minor. Okay, that's the verses, and then we got the chorus. D major, 1, 2, 3 to G, D major to E minor. F major, 1, 2, 3, 4, to C major, 1, 2, 3, to D major. Back to verse. then it's not a verse and then chorus. All right, guys. So 3 parts: intro, and then try to learn the melody. Verses: F sharp to D, G, F sharp to E minor. Chorus: D major, G, D major, E minor. Awesome. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe and take it easy.